subscriber, welcome back to my channel guys. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking with your boy Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Now in today's video I am going to do a fricassee chicken with some pineapple sauce, and I'm going to do some ton cornmeal with coconut milk. Well, many persons know the ton cornmeal as polenta, but in Jamaica we call it ton cornmeal, so that's what me I go look about today. And me also go do some pasta salad, some steamed vegetable, some raw vegetable. So those are just some of the basic things that I'm going to look about for you guys today. And thank you for being a part of the channel. And guys, you know the routine. If you guys new to the channel, just hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload the content you'll be the first to receive the content. And we're still taking the time out to say shout out to our new subscriber, shout out to our long time subscriber, and to my #1 subscriber, which is Kenisha Banton. Guys, anytime you see her in the comment section, just show her some love. She's on 8-year-old, just show her some love guys, but she loved the content, so I really appreciate her being on the channel and always spreading the love with the channel guys. So as I said, anytime you see her, just show her some love guys. So I have the chicken clean off, so I'm just wash off with some lime juice. So here in the plate I have some scallion, onion, shredded ginger, green scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic and some thyme. So I'm gonna add them in. So the ginger is about 1 spoon of ginger and some scotch bonnet pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, some thyme. So I'm using some pimento, so I'm just gonna add them in. So I'm using 1 spoon of all-purpose season, and I'm just gonna add just a little bit of garlic powder, just a little bit of garlic powder, and I'm gonna add just a little drop of soya sauce. Don't want too much now. So I'm gonna use a board spoon and just combine everything together. Try to mix in the season, which is the powdered season and the chop up season. So after I'm finished mixing in the season, I'm gonna leave it to marinate for 30 minutes. However, you can let it marinate for even overnight or even for 2 hours, depending on how long you are gonna take to cook. You can even make your meat marinate for a week, because the longer your meat have been marinating, the better. That means it will absorb the season more. So this is my seasoned chicken. So as you know the routine, when I'm seasoning any type of meat, I do season and I taste, just to make sure that the meat is not too salt. So I'm gonna grate the coconut to use the milk of the coconut into the ton cornmeal. So you know it's Caribbean Vibes way of cooking, so I'm trying to use more organic things, less processed, more natural. So guys, I'm using 2 pots. So this one I'm gonna boil the pasta in. So I'm adding just small bits of salt, like 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 pieces of scallion, just a little bit of cooking oil. I'm adding some of the cooking oil into the pot for the fried chicken. So I'm just going to add some scallion in the pot just to add flavor to the cooking oil as well. So I'm adding piece of scallion in the pot just for flavor of the cooking oil. So I can even add a scotch bonnet pepper and garlic just to enhance the flavor, just the same, but I'm just using the piece of scallion this time. So now the pot hot, So I'm just scraping off back the season off of the chicken. I just add them into the oil. So I am doing fricassee chicken today with pineapple sauce. So that's what I am cooking for my dinner today. So I'm going to add the pasta into the pot. So I'm going to cook the mixed vegetable with the pasta together. So I'm just using this small bowl of mixed vegetable. It is frozen vegetable. So I'm cooking them together. So I'm giving it 10 minutes. Let me see if the pot can take a piece more chicken. So that's it, I'm not putting in any more in it. So now I'm taking out the first batch of chicken. And then I'm scraping off the season as usual and add into the pot. So I'm turning the wing so it gets a little more color. I'm going to take it off because it's 10 minutes now. I'm going to take it off, throw off the boiling water and cool off the pasta under some cool running water. So, taking it off. I'm going to season up the coconut milk, water. I'm adding some thyme, sweet pepper. Quarter stick of butter, guys. The butter couldn't wait to fall into the pot. I'm adding a tomato. Some garlic. Scallion. So I'm going to season up the pot and taste it because this is the water for the ton cornmeal. So I'm tasting it to ensure that it is not too salt. Come on, tasting good guys. So next up, taking out the chicken. So that's it. So I'm going to make the sauce for the chicken. A small container of ketchup. So I'm adding just a little bit of fish and meat sauce just to add a little bit of flavor. So I'm using some of it. So I'm adding just a little bit of soya sauce. Now the sauce have been boiling for 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes max. So I'm gonna add the chicken in the sauce. I'm adding the chicken in the sauce. So I'm gonna just add some pineapple in it. I just jelly on the pineapple and just adding them into the sauce. So I'm just leaving the sauce for another 5 minutes just to dry down, just to simmer down. So now I am checking on the chicken, which is pineapple fricassee chicken. So I'm just waiting on the sauce to dry down. So I'm just using some strip, which is some julienne pineapple, just to give it an extra pineapple taste. So I'm using some pineapple juice as well in the sauce. Coconut milk have been cooking for 20 minutes. So everything cooked in a heat. So I'm gonna add the cornmeal. So I'm turning the cornmeal, folks. So I'm just using the mixing spoon just to mix in. So I'm using 1 pound of cornmeal. So I'm giving it 5 minutes for the cornmeal to cook, 5 to 10 minutes for the cornmeal to cook. And this is Caribbean vibe style of ton cornmeal. Many persons call it polenta, we Jamaican we call it ton cornmeal. So I'm just ensuring that the cornmeal mix out. So I'm gonna leave it, cover it for it to cook. Now the chicken done cook. So basically I'm taking it off this fire now. I'm just throwing out it. So I'm checking on the cornmeal. Cornmeal done too. So guys, now I am going to steam the vegetable, which are the string bean and the carrots. So I'm using 1/4 stick of butter. I'm going to add just a little bit of water and a tablespoon of salt with some black pepper. So we're back in front of the camera again, guys. So this time I'm gonna do the pasta salad. So I'm gonna use a sweet corn. I'm gonna use some chopped scallion, sweet pepper, tomato. I'm gonna use some mayonnaise. I'm using 1, roughly that is 1 serving spoon. 2, 3. So I am mixing. I'm mixing the mayonnaise. Taking out the scallion. So who wants some? So this is it. This is the salad. So we reached to the end of the video, and this is the ton cornmeal, and this is the fricassee chicken with pineapple sauce, shredded vegetable, pasta salad, steamed vegetable. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more awesome content.